Hello and welcome to Dairy Queen Center in Everett. The explosion hosting Las Vegas Gladiators. An excited Everett crowd tonight as they get ready. There's two games of this three-game series between the Everett Explosion and the Las Vegas Gladiators. Sit back and enjoy. We're underway. On the near side, once again, Murphy power drops it off Clifton. Throws in front of the shot. Here it's in. They score! 1-0 Everett. Aye, Captain Kyle Connor. 1-0. So Everett freaks quickly here. Bang, bang, bang with the pass. Just continuous attack. They don't give up. They keep finding new lanes. That's why they're going point A, point B, back to point C, back to point B, point A again. They're doing this really good passing, and it worked really well here in this first period. And that's what I'm working on. It's just I have logos that are custom made using Ideogram AI. Great. Oh well, I'm not publicly doing any series on it unless people want me to. Score! 2-0 Everett Wheelbarrows. Just like that, they extend the lead. Great passing by Everett. They're doing a great job here. They go in the corner, you can see. Burrows. He rushes to the front. He goes to the front of the net. Perfect pass, perfect timing. Bang, bang. Beats Igor Shesterkin for the second time. Just shy 500. Nice save. As they press. Can't put on that shot. Pad save there in the corner. McCann. Back on the near side again. Tom Wilson. One there to the back. Tip. They score! Off a tip in. One-timer. Hampus led home. And with a redirect it home. And it's 2-1. So yeah, tip-ins. Very effective. Very effective because it's a change of direction. The goalies, it's very hard to prepare for. The only goalies that can really save this are like the real big, large goalies. The only ones that can do this really well. There's on power, captained by Alexander Weinberg. Top of the near circle. Eklund shoots and scores! William Eklund ties the game at 2. Off the iron. And we're back to square one, just like that. So I guess Everett's got a bit of competition. Get back and forth. How the pendulum swings. And this crowd has just become... They are zipped shut. Stunned, probably. Dead silent. They have every right to wait. Lundberg, the assist off the William Eklund goal. Here comes Kyle Johnson as they go right back to the attack again. They'll make the interception. Wenberg, he's gonna break. Wenberg, and he scores! Alexander Wenberg takes the lead for the Gladiators. 3-2. Down by 2-0. They've scored 3 unanswered. They have a lead. 3-2. Momentum swings. Oh boy, and this is the third time they crack that defense. They'll answer around the game if anyone. Out there say. If you don't, that's fine too. On power. Shot! Save! Back on the neighbors. Everett shorthand, that's not gonna help him. They gotta get down there and score. The bank. Blocked. Dermott. Johnson, 30 seconds. Tyler Johnson, they have to score. Score! Tyler Johnson ties it. In the final 30 seconds, short-handed. Game saver right there for the explosion. This crowd's got to be raucous right now. So the Everett Explosion doing fantastic, like almost comeback right there. They struggled the entire second and third period, and finally, something. And looks like we're going to go to overtime. Power. Jankowski. Directo. Maybe one more chant now. We're going to overtime. We are not done. So don't tune away. Nice save. Oh, man. Little wildness here in Everett, Washington. Connor Murphy. Hit on the way. Weinberg is there. Down to 12 seconds. Enough to win the game. Glove save. Thompson steals this game and will force a shootout. Logan Thompson. Here's Esbjorn Romai. Top of the second round. And he scores! Esbjorn Romai. 1-0 here in the shootout against Logan Thompson on the backhand there. Forehand backhand, nice move. Well done. No, it's kind of... Igor Shesterkin. Wait. Top of the third round. Tom Wilson. And he scores to take a 2-0 lead. Tom Wilson. Nelson's next. Score! Nelson keeps the explosion alive. Now playing kind of an angled shot there. Brock Nelson's next. Score! Nelson keeps the explosion alive. Now playing kind of an angled shot there off the iron. Well, perfectly aimed snipe. Beautiful. They should win. If he scores, I believe they win. Score! William Eklund. I'm at... Okay. I think it's going to be a save and it's over. And so it is. That's a big goal for William Eklund and the Gladiators. Now, a save to win the game. A save to win. They have to score here. Power. Denied! Gladiators win the game! Las Vegas gains the 2 points over the Everett Explosion. A 4-3 shootout win. Now you can hear them.